This short tutorial covers multi-extension support, including the integration of Subwallet. So let's see how the updated connection of extensions in Polkaswap will work. For example, we have two extensions installed, Polka.js and Subwallet. Let's go to Connect Account. Here we can choose any wallet from the list. Note, this is only a current list. Soon you will be able to access Polkaswap using Fearless Wallet as well. If some are not installed, you can follow the link to download it. Now choose Polka.js. Since it has already been used from the current device, we do not see the permission screen for interacting with Polkaswap. We'll go ahead and select the account listed. Next, we'll select the Switch Account tab. Here we'll select Subwallet. Next, a list of accounts available for work appears. If the extension has access to Polkaswap, it will request access. And that's it. No more annoying simultaneous pop-ups from all extensions based on the Polka.js protocol. Thank you.